Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ann Scarberry, and today I'm going to be making some potato salad. I call this elevated potato salad because this is not your grandma's. I got this recipe inspiration from a deli in downtown Charleston, South Carolina. We lived there for a brief moment and we went to this deli quite often. And every time I'd go in, I would try to get the recipe for this potato salad, and the cook and the servers, they just kind of both said, or they would always say, I don't know, it just kind of has a little bit of everything in it. So every time I ordered it, I would kind of pick it apart and try to figure it out. And honestly, it tastes pretty close. This trick with the bacon grease, my mother-in-law taught me that, and let me tell you, it adds a lot of flavor. Look away if you're afraid of fat. Hey, I'm just saying this is delicious. It is definitely not a health food. I think grated cheese tastes so much better than the pre-shredded cheese in the bag, so you could use whatever you want here, but for better flavor, I would shred it myself.
I cry, but they don't care. Oh, I'm getting lost in the commotion, and the sound is way too loud. 'Cause I'm not the city girl I thought I was. This town is bigger than the ocean, yet too small to fit the crowd. 'Cause I'm not the city girl I thought I was. No, I'm not a city girl. No.
I'll put the full ingredient list and directions in the description below. And if you like what you're seeing and want to see more of this content, please like and consider subscribing. If you're in a good mood, please comment. If you're in a bad mood, please don't. I put a collection of summer salad recipes together in a magazine-style cookbook. I will put the link in the description as well if you would like to order your own copy. I have 20 of my favorite salads that I like to make and share with friends. Thank you so much for watching. I will be uploading new content every day. Your support means everything. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.
I'm getting lost in the commotion, and the sound is way